Welcome. In front of me is an ALCATEL U3, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and look for the toggle. So for me it's right over here. And once you find it, you can either tap on it to automatically turn it on, as you can see. Once you do, from here all you would need to do is tap on Done and enable it by default with whatever it's set to. Or you can also choose to set it, for instance, to indefinitely, so that means that you will need to turn it off yourself because default looks to be a specific timer. And if you go with the timer, you can also add additional hours to it if you want to. And additionally, you also have a couple different modes. So we have alarms only, priority only, or total silence. So total silence obviously does what it says it does. Alarms only means that only alarms will be able to go through, and priority only is the one that actually allows you to customize it a little bit more. As you can see, when you tap on it, it does allow us to select customize right here, and this takes us quickly to the settings where we can change it. So we have, for instance, calls and messages. We can allow calls from anyone, contacts, favorites, or no one. And same goes for messages. The only difference here between calls and messages is this toggle right here. So repeated callers, if someone calls us twice within a 15-minute period, if this is enable, they will be able to completely bypass whatever you have chosen in the calls section. So for instance, if you have selected that no one can call you, and this is enabled as well, if someone calls twice, they will completely bypass it and reach you anyway, bypassing it. So this option is okay for emergency situations. It will allow people to reach you. Otherwise you might not be aware that someone is trying to get a hold of you. So I do recommend keeping it on. Additionally, you have a couple toggles right here, so alarms, reminders, and events. If you want some of these, keep it on. If you don't, then just disable them. And once you have set it all up, you can simply leave this section and never come back to it again. And all you need to do is just simply tap on a toggle whenever you want to enable it. As you can see, it will bring up this window every time, so you can choose which one you want, and there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.